Hello, this just in. Really excited to do this review. LED headlights for the Honda Ge8 Fit slash Jazz just arrived. So without further ado, let's get to the install. You can see mine has just gone out and it's due for a change after 8 years. I've bought a new pair of LEDs and really excited to do this tutorial. As you can see here, there's two filaments. This one that's still intact is the high beam, and the one jingling around, see there, it's fallen off, so it's totally burnt. That's the normal beam. It's the reason why you have 3 points at the back. One's for the high beam, one's for the normal, and this is a standard H4 bulb. This is the original in the Honda Fit that I have, Germany. So I've got a replacement, which is LEDs, tri-color LEDs, H4 as well. We have yellow, warm white, and white. We did try and check the light. Wow, it's right. It's a yellow, and that's the warm white. It's the high beam. Our high beam only has white, which is I think about 6000 K color temperature. Comes with a fan, quite nice, quite well built, solid. So only problem with this on fitting it on the light is because it's a bit thicker on this side here. So you see this has a recess, this is flush, so I'm having a bit of problem getting it to clip on the lights. So we're gonna remove the bumper, front grille, and the headlight itself to install. Alright, so to remove the bumper, there's some screws on the side. One in here, one right there, here, a bunch of them at the bottom. So start off, gonna remove the screws, pop the plastic pieces from the grille, and start removing the headlight. So to remove the bumper from the body of the car, there's a total of 4 plastic clips. Just use a plastic pry tool or a flat credit card to pry it open. And to remove the headlight, you have a total, you have 4 screws, one here, one here, one here, and another one on the side here. I'm sure you can see, yeah, that one. So total 4 screws to remove the lights. Okay, so we're going to start by removing the bumper and the clips with the screws. Okay, that was a real pain, yes, to uninstall. To get to this side, we had to dismantle this piece, which was blocking the screw from the bottom. Okay, now that's done. Time to change the light bulb. So when you're replacing the light bulb and putting in the LED, make sure it's facing left and right, like so in this image, and not up and down, because the way the LED shines, you need to put it this way in order for it to work properly. Now this is one of the most challenging parts of this install, getting the clip to hook on to the casing of the headlight, because as shown before, the original bulb has a recess, and this is flush, so it's a bit of challenge, but it got through. Okay. Be sure to install that rubber casing onto the bulb to prevent any water or moisture seepage into the headlight. You won't want that happening. So when you're installing the headlights back onto the car, be sure that the screw goes through this plastic bracket, which is for hooking on the bumper. That screw goes through this bracket and through the headlight onto the car's metal body. And be sure to install this water catchment for the windscreen wiper water first before you install the screws for the headlight. So out of the 4 screws that hold the headlight together, this is the most challenging one. It's right at the bottom. You can't see it, but you just gotta feel it with your hands and try and poke the hole through with the screw. Big shout out to my uncle for helping me on this install. If not, I think this would have not been done on time. Okay, so every time you change your bulbs on the headlamp, be sure to check for alignment. Park it about 10 to 15 feet away in a flat surface. Empty basement car park would be ideal, like so, and adjust the headlights accordingly. Okay, so to adjust the lights up, down, left, right, there's two areas where you can insert a crosshead screwdriver. This is for the up and down. So for up, counterclockwise, down, clockwise. Put it in, and yep, right there. So there's some gears. I think I can show you. It's not enough space. Yep, there's a gear right there. So just insert your screwdriver and turn. And the other one for the left and right, which is more straightforward. Just put it here. You can see here. Right clockwise, left anti-clockwise. You adjust it here. Same as for this side. It's quite annoying as you know, some of the even older cars I have, like the Mitsubishi Mirage. It's just auto. You just turn a switch and it aligns. And this is a 2013 model and you have to do it manually. I mean, come on, Honda.
Sexy time.